My name is Anand Masur, and I am the head of the Department of Mathematics in our college. I'll be introducing you with our department. To tell you a small history, uh, our department was established along with the college in 1962 by our first principal, Professor D.B. Wagh. And since then, we have been getting a very good students, and our department has produced very good graduates, and afterwards they have gone to postgraduates and also research. So it has a long history. I'm not going into that, but definitely I would like to tell you what courses we offer, what is our philosophy of running those particular courses in our department, which will help you to decide whether you would like to join our college. Uh, okay, so the whole idea of the curriculum which we have made is depending on three choices. The first choice is that I will, as a student, I will take mathematics as one of the subjects and I will graduate in that and I will go for further studies. And maybe I'll do MSc, then PhD and go for research further. That is one way of looking into mathematics as a subject. Now, second way of looking into mathematics as is that maybe I won't go into more advanced studies in mathematics, but I would like to do B.Ed and I would like to be a teacher in school, maybe higher secondary. There is another way of looking at it. And third way is that because mathematics is used in many applied courses, so for example, MBA or finances, right, or economics in general, right, all these courses nowadays, or even computer science where data mining is there and wavelet theory is there, all these things require quite a bit of mathematical theory. So we had kept in mind these three different aspects of mathematics as a course. So what we have designed as a course is that on one side we have taken some essential mathematical courses, for example, maybe analysis, algebra, differential equations, geometry. These are the courses which are these are the papers or programs which are very, very important in mathematics as such. So that is one part. Now in second part, when we are thinking about B.Ed as a subject, where we do require certain understanding how to teach student. Of course, you have to do B.Ed after your graduation, but what we have done is that we have taken the part where we teach or we get a particular course which runs for pedagogy of mathematics. In that we tell about how different ways you can approach the teaching of mathematics, pedagogy of mathematics. So these courses, there are two such papers which will help you to understand how you can teach mathematics little better, some techniques, some aspects of that. So that is another part of this where we are talking about being a teacher. And the third aspect which we are talking about was application, where we are running some courses like combinatorics. Then we are running a course on mathematics using computer. Then we are also running probability and statistics, which will help you. And then afterwards for MBA, operations research, numerical methods. These are the courses which are kind of application oriented, which are used in some different fields. Application of mathematics in some other different fields. So as a student, you need not do all theoretical courses, but there are definitely some basic courses which you have to do. Along with that, we augment that either with your teaching courses or applied courses. So you need not go for only mathematics, which will only theoretically do very, what we call as very serious mathematics. You can differ a little bit. That's the idea. But before deciding to come for mathematics, what the whole course, the way we evaluate our students, right? So evaluation methods which we have adopted, where we have kept very rightly is where you have to present something. We try to find out whether you have understood the concepts. Very less importance is given to your memory. So we would like to check more that whether you can understand and apply mathematics in different fields. So if that you can do, nothing like it. So our evaluation methods are not only exam oriented, sitting 3 hours in a classroom and writing the answer sheet. That's not the only way. Of course, there are certain, as I said, theoretical courses where we have to do that. But most of the other courses, it will be presentation, writing assignment, talking in front of the students where you can tell how much you have understood that particular course. So these are the different evaluation methods. And forget about only our college. Mathematics is a subject where you should take it. It's a very good subject, no doubt, but only if you like it. In fact, we say, go a little further, we say you should take mathematics if you love it. So if you don't love mathematics, you don't like mathematics, taking mathematics for sake of it has no implication there. I mean, you won't get anything. So our evaluation methods are very, very, very important in this particular course structure, that we try to find out whether you have understood it. So definitely the courses are interesting, and we have designed our course in such a way that you can take admissions. Suppose you want to do master's degree, you can of course go to any university in India. In fact, some foreign universities also, where right now our some 4 to 5 students are studying mathematics in higher level in UK. 2 are in London, one is, I think, I'm not sure whether she is working, but studying. But these 4 students are there studying there, one is in Hong Kong. So these are the 5 students. After graduating here, they have gone out. So our curriculum is very much strong, using which you can definitely go to some other college, right? So thank you very much.